good evening. Today's lesson is tense. Verbs, tenses. As you know, the tenses are the most important part of the English language. First, let us learn the definition of tense. So, what is a tense? Tense indicates the time of action. The time of action. So, in order to know when a particular action has taken place, we take the help of the tense. So, what are the different kinds of tenses which we know? Simple present, simple past, and simple future. So these are the three major kinds of tenses. But amongst them there are other bifurcations. Like in simple present, there are simple present, present continuous, and present perfect. So first we will discuss about the present tense. What are the three different kinds of the present tense? One is the simple present, then there is the present continuous, and another one is the present perfect. Let us discuss about simple present. It indicates an action that takes place now. That takes place now. Suppose, example, the girl sings a song. Here it is referring to an action which is happening right now. So what is the present tense in the sentence? Sings. It is the simple present tense. If you want to convert the sentence into a present continuous, how will you write? So what is a present continuous tense? Let us learn that first. What is a present continuous tense? It refers to any action which is continuing in the present. Which is continuing in the present. Example, Sita is singing a song. Here is singing, this action is being continued in the present. So what is the rule of the present continuous tense? That is am, are plus verb plus ing. So this is the major rule of the present continuous tense. I am giving you more examples of how a sentence is being converted from a simple present to a present continuous. Harish plays football. So you can see that this sentence is a simple present and plays is the simple present. How will you convert the sentence into a present perfect or a present continuous? Harish is playing football. So what is the rule which we are applying here? Is, that is the be verb plus verb play plus ing. So in simple present we will see how it is applied in different kind of sentences. How simple present tense is applied in affirmative sentences. How it is applied in affirmative sentences. What do you mean by affirmative sentences? Affirmative sentences means sentences which say something positive, like he, she dances. So this is an example of an affirmative sentence. And in negative sentence, what we will use? He cannot dance. She cannot sing. So these are some examples how the simple present tenses are used in affirmative and negative sentences. And how it is used in yes or no questions? Does she sing? Doesn't she sing? So this is the way how simple present tenses are used in affirmative, negative, yes, no questions and also WH questions. Like, when does she sing? When is your birthday? So these are the questions which are used in a simple present tense. So let us discuss about present perfect tense. To an action which has happened just now or its effect is still there. Example. So present perfect tense refers to an action which has happened just now or its effect is still there. Suppose the train has already left when I reached the station. So in this sentence you can see that there are two actions, and what is the action which has happened before another action? The train has already left when I reached the station. So the action which has happened just now, but its effect is still there. That is known as the present perfect tense. Suppose I have since 2000. So it is present perfect tense is also used when a speaker says what is the connection or what is the timeline, to refer to any timeline of anything. So in this sentence you can see that I have known him since 2000. So this is the timeline. So now we will see the uses of the present perfect tense. Uses of the present perfect tense. So to indicate a finished action that has its impact in the present. So what are the uses to indicate a finished action that has its impact in the present? Example, the policeman has shot the terrorist. Next, to refer to any activity or event that occurred in the past, but its effect is still there. Example, have you ever been to London? Next, to convey some news. Example, the Prime Minister has signed a nuclear deal. So here you can see what are the different ways which we use a present perfect tense. Another is for an action repeated till the present. So at any action which has already started in the past but it is repeated in the present, for that we use a present perfect tense. Action which is repeated till the present. Example, I have heard this song 5 times since afternoon. I have heard this song 5 times since afternoon. So this action has already started in the morning, but still it is continuing in the future. So for that we also use present perfect tense.